Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys don't know me, this is Kavita from Two Girls in the City Vlogs, and today I've decided that I should do unboxing with you guys. So इस न्यू ईयर पे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू करने के लिए आए हैं, so why not unbox the products, the gifts with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll be unboxing these gifts with you guys. बहुत ही छोटा वीडियो रखेंगे, एंड जिसको भी रिव्यू चाहिए इस चीज़ का, यू कैन चेक माई इंस्टाग्राम विच इज़ टू गर्ल्स इन द सिटी ब्लॉग्स, और जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यहाँ शो किए हैं उन सब के रिव्यू आपको मेरे पेज पे मिल जाएंगे. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ फ्रॉम मामा अर्थ, एंड इट्स सम मामा अर्थ विटामिन सी हैंड क्रीम विथ शिया बटर. So thank you Mama Earth for this. So let's open the second one. Okay, it's from the Snap store. So this is what I got. Thank you Snap stores. The prints are amazing. Large 3D prints मैंने order किए थे, which is amazing. The outcome is amazing, and thank you Snap store for this. Okay, the next one is from Bioderma. It's a Christmas plus New Year campaign gift from them. It has cotton pads, Bioderma Sensible H2O makeup remover, which is my favorite, all-time favorite, and it also has the Bioderma CBM foaming gel, Autoderm cream, and this is the miniature that I've got. These are two miniature which are same ultra nourishing cream. The next package that I got is from Beauty People, and it has some makeup stuff in it. So these are the two lipsticks that I've received. These are matte. Let me show you. It has a nude brown color shade, and the another one is the cherry pink. Both the shades are very beautiful. Apart from that, there is a mascara, and I've also received two palettes. One is Beauty People Dreamers palette, and another one is Blowout. Both the palettes look beautiful, and it has beautiful shades in it. And I've also received two crayons. Let me show you the shades. I've also received two color liners from them. Both the shades are very beautiful. So thank you Beauty People for these beautiful products. उसके अलावा I have also received macaroon box, and it has Korean skincare, and the one which I received, it's a vitamin C oodle box, and it's a complete vitamin C kit, and it has a face sheet mask. The kit includes a vitamin C dark spot serum, green tangerine dark spot serum, and it has vitamin C cream, and it also has vitamin C dark spot serum. So let me try, and we'll review it soon on my Instagram page. Thank you Macaroon Beauty for this. You can check my Instagram page for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related content. And अगर आपको इसका रिव्यू चाहिए, इसका रिव्यू आपको मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे मिल जाएगा, लेकिन अगर आपको यूट्यूब पे अगर इसका रिव्यू चाहिए तो प्लीज़ लीव अ कमेंट. आई विल डू अ रिव्यू on my YouTube channel also. Apart from that, I've also received the Brillar oil shot. These are the hair fall control booster oil shots, and इसमें 8 shots हैं. And according to this, इसे हर alternate day पे use करना है to get better results. So I will share the review for this as well. So thank you Brillar for this. I will use it, and I will share the review for this as well. The next one is from ThinkPot. So it has some beautiful planners. It has a diary. It also has a planner, and it also has a beautiful pouch in it. Thank you ThinkPod for this beautiful package. So now another one is from Brian and Candy. So it has body mist in it and it has 3 fragrances, and let me show you. The one is the floral splash, so it has the floral smell in it. The another one, it's the Urban Desire, which has white musk and neroli. The another one is from Brian and Candy, My Escapade, and which has a Casey's and Amber Misty Mountains fragrance in it. So तीनों ही मिस्ट बहुत ही अच्छी हैं, smells amazing, and thank you Brian and Candy. The next one I have received is from Skin Induced, and it has body butters in it. Skin Induced Cucumber Mint Mojito, and another one is a strawberry one, body butters. It's watermelon rosemary margarita, and cinnamon red appelatini, and lavender nightcap, and all the body butter smells amazing. Thank you Skin Induced for this. Last and not the least, I think ये last है. Yeah, I've got it from Mother's Purse, and these are plant powered skincare range that I've received from Mother's Purse. So one has, it's a face mask from Mother's Purse plant powered oatmeal and honey face mask, and the another one is the body butter, shea and cocoa body butter from Mother's Purse, and the ultra rich face cream, and another one is the under eye recovery gel from Mother's Purse, and another one is, it's a face wash. जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने अभी आपको दिखाए हैं और किसी का भी आपको रिव्यू चाहिए, so leave it in the comment section. I'll get a review done for you guys, and in the meanwhile you can follow me on Instagram for more lifestyle and beauty content, and इन सब के रिव्यू आपको मेरे Instagram पेज पे मिल जाएंगे. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is Two Girls in the City Blogs, and you can also follow me on Instagram, which is Two Girls in the City Blogs again. I am putting everything in the description box, so you can check all the products that I've mentioned here, and for the beauty people makeup products, I've got a coupon code which will also I will share in the description box. If you want to buy the products, you can go ahead and check their website or their Instagram page, and so I will put everything in the description box. And so yeah, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.